a topic that hits close to home for many MRSA infections. These infections can be stubborn, and while conventional treatments are important, many of you have asked about natural remedies. We're going to explore some popular options, but remember, this video is for informational purposes only, and it's crucial to consult with your doctor before starting any new treatment, natural or otherwise. They can assess your individual situation and advise you on the best course of action. Tea tree oil, derived from the Australian tea tree, has been recognized for its potent antiseptic properties. It contains compounds like terpenin 4-ol, which exhibit antimicrobial activity against a range of bacteria, including MRSA. How to use it? Dilute a few drops of tea tree oil with a carrier oil like coconut or olive oil. Remember, a little goes a long way. And apply it to the affected area 2 to 3 times a day. Always do a patch test first to check for any skin sensitivities. Garlic isn't just for warding off vampires. It has a long history of use for its potential health benefits, including antimicrobial effects. Allicin, a compound released when garlic is crushed, is thought to be responsible for these properties. You can apply crushed garlic directly to the infection, though be warned it can be a bit potent. Alternatively, incorporating raw garlic into your diet or taking garlic supplements might be more palatable options. Manuka honey, produced by bees that pollinate the manuka tree in New Zealand, is another natural remedy that's gained attention for its potential to combat MRSA. Its unique antibacterial properties are attributed to a compound called methylglyoxal, or MGO. To use it, apply a thin layer of medical-grade manuka honey directly to the infected area and cover it with a clean bandage. It's recommended to change the dressing twice a day. Turmeric, a vibrant yellow spice commonly used in Indian cuisine, contains curcumin, a powerful compound known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Some studies suggest that curcumin might also possess antibacterial activity against MRSA. You can create a paste by mixing turmeric powder with a little water and apply it to the affected area. Consuming turmeric in your food or taking turmeric supplements are other ways to incorporate this spice into your routine. Apple cider vinegar, or ACV, has seen a surge in popularity as a natural remedy, and for good reason. Its acidic nature is thought to create an environment that's inhospitable to bacteria, potentially helping to control MRSA growth. Dilute ACV with equal parts water and apply it to the infection using a cotton ball. You can repeat this process several times a day. Always dilute ACV before topical use to avoid skin irritation. Aloe vera is a succulent plant celebrated for its soothing gel, often used to alleviate sunburns. But did you know that aloe vera also possesses antibacterial and wound-healing properties? Applying fresh aloe vera gel directly to the infected area 2 to 3 times a day can provide relief and potentially promote healing. Echinacea is a flowering plant native to North America that's been traditionally used to support immune function. While it doesn't directly target MRSA, Echinacea is thought to enhance the body's natural defense mechanisms, potentially aiding in fighting off infections. You can find Echinacea in supplement form capsules, tablets, or liquid extracts, or enjoy it as a tea. Colloidal silver is a solution consisting of tiny silver particles suspended in liquid. It's been used for centuries as a natural antimicrobial agent, but its use is somewhat controversial today. Colloidal silver can be applied topically to the affected area or taken orally. But it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional before using it, as there are potential risks and side effects associated with its use. Oregano oil, extracted from the oregano plant, contains carvacrol and thymol, compounds known for their strong antibacterial properties. Some studies suggest that oregano oil might be effective against certain strains of MRSA. Dilute oregano oil with a carrier oil before topical application, as it can be quite potent. Oregano oil capsules are also available for oral consumption. Coconut oil has become a pantry staple for its culinary uses and potential health benefits. It contains lauric acid, a fatty acid with antimicrobial properties that may help combat MRSA. Applying virgin coconut oil to the affected area several times a day can help moisturize the skin and potentially inhibit bacterial. And as always, thanks for putting your health first.